Back to the channel. This is just a quick unboxing of Keenstone rechargeable batteries for your Arlo security camera. Now from the pictures you already seen what's in the box, but I'm just going to go through it real quick again. Here's the box. Now there's two versions of this. I ordered the one that is 12 pieces. That includes the 8-slot charger with the power cord and power adapter and 12 batteries. You get 8 of them in this, then you get 4 more here. Now, oh, and also you get 3 covers for your camera. With these, the version I ordered, you get 3 of them with 12 batteries. Now, the other version you can order are 8 batteries. And with that, you only get the 2 skins instead of 3 when you order the 12 batteries. I figure I might as well, I have 4 cameras, so I might as well go ahead and get this one here than just buy another standalone 4 batteries, whenever I get time. They're only 20 bucks, so probably be ordering within the next day or 2 anyway. I'm gonna go ahead and load a couple of batteries up to let you see what these LED lights look like when you're charging the device or charging the batteries. That's what it looked like loaded. In this spot right here, which is kind of hidden, is where you plug your micro USB cord into. I only loaded 4 for now. I'll charge the rest later off camera. And that's what it looked like. The ones that are charging is 4 blue. It shows you right there, a little indicator light. In the green, I have nothing in those. So it just displays green. The batteries do feel cheap and they feel really light. So I actually hope they stand up with time. But then again, since they're rechargeable, I can actually view my cameras a lot longer versus, checking them here and there because I don't want to waste battery life. Now I don't have to worry about it. If you're on the fence about ordering rechargeable batteries versus using the standard batteries that are non-rechargeable, I actually haven't used these yet in my camera, so I don't know how long they will last. But at this point, if you're going to keep the cameras, you're going to go through some batteries. So I personally think it's best off just to go ahead and pay the price for rechargeable batteries versus the non-rechargeable. Because over time, if you think about it, you would pay a whole lot more money getting the non-rechargeables versus just buying rechargeables straight out. That's my personal opinion. I'm not suggesting you do that. This is my idea and this is what I'm doing. So I'm gonna leave any and everything else up to you. That's your quick unboxing and showing you what's inside the box of the Keenstone rechargeable batteries, 700 milliamp, 3.7 volt, RCR 123A batteries. I'll drop a link down in Amazon, because that's where I bought it from. So I'll drop a link down in Amazon where you purchase it. It's not an affiliate link or anything like that. It's just a link. Thanks for watching my video. I'm trying to get back into YouTube. Done it a few years ago and stopped. Now I'm starting to get back. So I guess technically this will be my first official video. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have a good day. Bye.